Okay, boys and girls, welcome to your WebQuest of the day. So to start off with your groups, you're going to do this social studies worksheet, verbs in the past, present, and future tense. So to begin, write your members' names and the date. And then next, the directions are first, fill in each blank with the correct verb. So you will fill in one of these 8 words into each blank. After you've put them in the correct blanks, you're going to circle whether it's past, present, or future tense. Don't forget that part. It's very small, so you might miss it. After you have finished this worksheet, please have one of your group members come up and turn it in to me. After your group has finished the fill in the blank worksheet, you will go onto the WebQuest Google Slides that is in your Google Classroom. And as you can see on here, each group has their own beginning slide with then 3 copies of each month that you were assigned. Each group was assigned 2 months. So what you're going to do is you are going to pick 3 events that happened in each of those months. It can be an election, it can be when a big thing happened in America, whatever you want. But you may not repeat events. So I'm going to give you my example. I chose the month of July for this example, and I chose Thursday, July 4th, 1776. And here are my couple sentences that I wrote. On July 4th in the year 1776, the United States, our home, was created. There was only 2 people who signed the Declaration of Independence on July 4th, 1776. The rest signed the following month. The 4th of July is now a very common celebrated holiday in for our country's independence. So what you'll do is you're going to pick your event, you're going to write a few sentences and make sure you're using verbs in there that are past tense. I will be looking for those. And then if you have time, just add a couple pictures that resemble the event you're talking about. After you have finished that, you will be moving on to your own personal work. Each person will be working individually. So you will all be given this worksheet, and I want you to first write your name and then write your date. And you are going to write 2 sentences for each verb tense. Use 1 verb in each sentence. So you will begin with past tense and then present tense and then future tense. If you're struggling, I'll have sentence starters at the beginning or at the front of the classroom, as well as a big list of verbs. And then if you finish early, there's a bonus, and I want you to try to write a sentence using 2 verbs in the sentence. So once you're done with that, you're good to go.